Well, hello guys, I'm Sean Harper and I've got another unboxing for you guys. This is the Amazon Basics 60 inches tripod. So let's unbox this and I'll review this product and I'll tell you whether you have to buy this or not. Okay, let's go. So let's open this. This is pretty huge, so I'll try to get this in the camera as much as possible. So plain brown box. It comes in a bag, so you can see there's no branding on this, just a normal bag. So let's unzip this. Okay, the product is here. Let's take it out. It's in this plastic packet, as you can see. Let's remove this. So there you go. This is the 60 inches one. It's not the 50 but the 60 inches. It has a very nice weight on this. Somewhere around 2.5 kgs, not that heavy. And it's portable, as you can see, it's pretty small. So guys, let's start off with the topmost part of the tripod. It has an handle to move the head up and down, and on top you have quick release plate, and in this plate is where you mount your mobile holder or your camera with the screw. And on this you have a spirit level to see whether the tripod is stable or not, and you also have a spirit level over here, as you can see right there. And there are many hooks and turners like this. This is for increasing the height, and see that, it's very smooth action. Okay, and that is all for the top. And I forgot this one. This is for if you want to loosen this part. Okay guys, let's continue. This part, we have the handle for carrying around the tripod. You have the Amazon Basics logo, and coming on to the feet, okay, these have two clamps, and this will extend. Again, smooth action on this as well. It extends. I can't get the full thing in frame, but this tripod fully extended legs plus fully extended head will be somewhere around 5 feet, somewhere around that side. And I already mentioned there's a hook over here for putting the tripod upside down, and everything on this tripod has a good build quality and everything is smooth. And you also have the feet over here, and this move. There's like a ball inside, and this moves for when you're on uneven surfaces. The tripod will still remain stable and you can get the best shot. So there's also 50 inches of the same Amazon Basics, but I'm not sure about that height. But this is very good if you're into YouTube and you like making videos. I think go for the 60 inches because it will give you a little more height and you can take more videos with this rather than the 50 inches, which might become very small. If you're interested in buying this tripod, links for this are in the description. If you like my video, give it a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and support my channel if you want to see more content. And overall, this tripod is very nice for the price it comes. You can check out the link there. Amazon will be having discounts every few months, so I recommend you buying this tripod when Amazon has their sale, because that is when you get the cheapest. So overall, it's a very good tripod, and if you want to check it out, links in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys up later. Peace.
Wow.